Welcome to Matdod's channel. If you are new in this channel, please click the subscribe button now and also the like button and also the notification bell. The topic for this video is the absolute value. The absolute value of a number n, written as in this symbol, is the distance on the number line from 0. So for example is the absolute value of negative 7. So locate negative 7 in the number line. Then count how many units negative 7 is from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 7 units away from 0. So the absolute value of negative 7 is 7. Another example. The absolute value of positive 6. Locate positive 6 on the number line. Then count how many units is positive 6 from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So positive 6 is 6 units away from 0. So the absolute value of 6 or positive 6 is 6. Next example is the absolute value of negative 3. Locate negative 3 on the number line. Then count how many units is negative 3 from 0. 1, 2, 3. So negative 3 is 3 units away from 0. So the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Next example is the absolute value of positive 4. Locate positive 4 on the number line. Then count how many units is positive 4 from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So positive 4 or simply 4 is 4 units away from 0. The absolute value of positive 4 is 4. In the absolute value of x equals 5, what are the possible values of x? So x is equal to 5 because the absolute value of 5 is 5. And the value of x is also negative 5 because the absolute value of negative 5 is also 5. The distance of a number from 0 can also be written as the absolute value of x minus 0 where the reference point is 0. In absolute value of x equals 3, the reference point is 0 because the absolute value of x is equal to 3 is the same as the absolute value of x minus 0 is equal to 3. In the absolute value of x minus 5 equals 3, the reference point is 5. In the absolute value of x minus negative 2 equals 4, the reference point is negative 2. And in the absolute value of x plus 7 equals 1, the reference point is negative 7. Because the absolute value of x plus 7 equals 1 can be written as the absolute value of x minus negative 7 equals 1. So the reference point here is negative 7. In the absolute value of x equals 5, what are the possible values of x? The absolute value of x equals 5 is the same as the absolute value of x minus 0 equals 5. Locate the reference point on the number line. Our reference point is 0. You will move 5 units going to left and going to right from 0. Again, 5 units. So going to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It stopped on 5. So one of the values of x is equal to positive 5 or simply 5. And going to the left, count 5 units from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it stopped on negative 5. So another value of x is equal to negative 5. If you will check that, the absolute value of 5 is equal to 5. And the absolute value of negative 5 is also equal to 5. So the equation is true when checked. In the absolute value of x minus 3 equals 4, what are the possible values of x? The reference point here is 3. So locate 3 on the number line. Ilolocate natin yung reference point sa number line. And ang reference point dito is 3. Ayan. Then, we will move 4 units to the left and to the right. Beginning with going to right, move 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nag-stop siya sa positive 7. So, one of the values of x is equal to 7. Going to left, move 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. It ends in negative 1. So another value of x is negative 1. So there are two values of x. One is positive 7 or simply 7 and negative 1. So those are the values of x. In the absolute value of x minus negative 6 equals 3, what are the possible values of x? The reference point for this equation is negative 6. So plot negative 6 on the number line. Then move 3 units going to both sides. Going to right muna. 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Nag-stop siya sa negative 3. So, one of the values of x is equal to negative 3. And move also 3 units going to left to get the second value of x. 1, 2, 3. So, nag-end siya sa negative 9. So, another value of x is negative 9. So, the value of x in the equation, the absolute value of x minus negative 6 equals 3 are negative 3 and negative 9. In the absolute value of x plus 10 equals 7, what are the possible values of x? So here, in the absolute value of x plus 10 equals 7, we can rewrite this as the absolute value of x minus negative 10 equals 7. Para makuha natin yung reference point. So, ang reference point natin dito is negative 10. So, locate negative 10 on the number line. Then, move 7 units going to both sides. First, going to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, nag-end siya sa negative 3. So, one of the values of x is negative 3. Move naman going to left, 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, nag-stop siya sa negative 17. Another value of x is negative 17. So, these are the two values of x, negative 3 and negative 17, for the equation, the absolute value of x plus 10 equals 7. In the absolute value of x minus 1 equals negative 4, what are the possible values of x? There are no possible values of x for this equation because the movement is negative, no? Yung 4 is negative, so hindi pwede maging negative yung movement. Dapat ang movement ay positive. Although yung direction, pag going to left, negative, going to right, positive, direction yun. Pero yung number of movement, dapat palaging positive. So dito, for this equation, this is undefined or no solution set. So those are the lessons about absolute value. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you also for the newcomers. Thank you for visiting this channel. See you again next time. Bye!